Hello geeks, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great. Today we are diving into something super cool and practical. In the department called Scopt at my college, we have been using a technique for record note submissions that both efficient and organized. And guess what? We are going to replicate and streamline that process right here in this video. So, what does this technique involve? The idea is to upload the experiment details with a QR code that links directly to the GitHub repository or any relevant content. If someone needs access, all they have to do is scan the code. That's it. Now, in this video, I will walk you through two major steps: QR code creation using Adobe tools and tabulation creation using Google tools. Without any further delay, let's get started. First, for QR code creation, we will be using Adobe. It's simple, effective, and gets the job done seamlessly. I will also be sharing all the necessary files and links you will need in the video description below, so make sure to check that out. Here's how it works. Open Adobe Express, sign you up, and paste the URL or file path of your experiment details, and customize the QR code design if needed. There are so many options. And finally, save the QR code file, and that's it, your QR code is ready to go. Next, let's move on to creating the documentation in Google Docs. To make things easier for you, I have already prepared a template document with the required structure. You can find the link to this template in the description below. Here's what you need to do. Open the template link provided in the description. Once the document loads, click on File and select Make a Copy to save your own editable version of the template. This ensures you can modify the document as needed without affecting the original template. The template includes predefined headers for essential details like experiment title, QR code, experiment date, remarks, and signature. All you have to do is fill in the rows with your specific experiment details. The number of rows can be adjusted based on the number of experiments you have conducted. Just right click and add or delete rows as needed. It's that simple. Once you are done editing, the next step is to take a printout of documents. I have added a quick 2-second clip showing you how to do that. With your printout ready, you are all set to submit or share your tabulated record. Don't forget to check the description below for all necessary files and links we used today. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and make sure to subscribe for more awesome content just like this. Together, let us build, create, and innovate. And I will see you in the next video.